In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily trim live photo on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Photos app. The easiest way to find all your live photos in one place is tap right here to go to Albums, and then scroll down and tap at Live Photos. That is auto-generated album which contains all the live photos from your camera roll. Live photos, guys, it's basically short videos. As you can see, there is some movement here. When we switch to that photo, it shows us some movement. That's because live photo is like a short video, about half second or less. And now let me show you how we can easily trim live photo as a video. To do that, tap right here at Edit to turn on Edit mode. Then tap right there to go to Live tab. And basically, guys, that's how we can select keyframe here. We can set another one. To do that, just tap at Make Keyframe. And if you would like to trim some part of that live photo, you can easily do so. We can trim it by dragging these edges, so we can trim it from the end in that way. And also we can trim it from the start in the same way. To save the changes, tap at Done. Don't be afraid of editing live photos and regular photos using your Photos app, because in any time we can revert it back to original. To do that, tap at Edit, Revert, and then Revert to Original. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.